you want to know the types of videos that you should actually be doing in order to grow your business on the internet, you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what type of videos you should actually be doing in order to grow your actual business. If you're brand new, my name is Keysha Bass, and this channel is all about how to increase your influence and your income leveraging videos. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I upload videos to this channel to help you all to do that. So if that interests you, if you love money, then hey, be sure to subscribe. If you don't love money, then don't subscribe, right? But anyways, be sure to subscribe and also click the bell notification so when I upload a video, you guys are actually notified. Now, I've been leveraging video in my business for quite a long time. Actually, I got started on my first YouTube channel in 2008 because I joined a network marketing business, and I realized very quickly that I had to learn how to brand and market myself. And so there's a thing on the internet, and there's a thing that's in marketing in general that's called KLT. It's know, like, trust. Okay. And so people are more quicker to buy from you online when you take some time and develop the know, like, trust with them. If they know you, they like you, they trust you, they'll buy from you. All right. So I realized that video was the fastest way for me to actually grow or to enhance the KLT factor with my audience. So I started doing videos to really share with them my life, what was going on, my kids, everything, you guys. I literally became an open book. Now, I'm not saying that you have to do that for your business, but I'm just saying for my business, that's what I actually did. But I want to share with you guys the 3 type of videos that you all want to be producing in your business in order to grow your business online. So let's get into it. Number 3, a great video that you can do now is called a behind the scenes video. Now, I'm not saying that you do a video and you actually give away your best kept secrets, right? So don't give away your formula, right, for how you do what you do and your ingredients and everything like that. But you can show them behind the scenes what goes into actually making this shirt, right? Or what goes into actually making these actual shoes, or whatever it is that you do. Maybe you have a candle company. Oh my God, if you have a candle company, maybe you give some snippets of what really goes into, what's the love that you put in really to getting a product out. If you have an essential oils business or something like that, like what are some of the behind the scenes that you can share with them, you know, on how you do what you do. I know this is really good for those of you guys who have a physical product, for those of you guys who actually necessarily don't have a physical product, maybe you're a coach, consulting, or something like that. It may be a little bit different, but people do like to know, like, what goes into, like, you know, building a $1 million business online, right? And so if you want to share that, that's a great way for you to bring your customers in to your actual process. So number 3 is that you can do a behind the scenes video. Number 2, and one that I really, really like to do, especially in my actual world, is question and answer. So answering the questions that your target person, your ideal client, the questions that they have, right? And this is where I usually have my students and actually my clients start out with their channels, is really answering questions that their audience is asking, right? So on my channel, you can see I focus on questions that my ideal client will actually ask. And that's what type of videos should I actually do? How do I get more views on my videos? Should I have more than one channel? So these are all questions that I know my ideal client is going to ask. So on this channel, I actually answer those questions. So before you even ask, I'm answering the question for you, right? Now, one of the things I do know is that video is at one point was 53 times more likely to come up in the search than just text, okay? So when you know numbers like that, you understand that when your client goes to Google and types in, you know, how to do XYZ, you definitely want to come up in the actual search, and your video is 53 times more likely to actually come up. So I think you definitely want to be doing videos to grow your business. Now, number 1, you can actually do a product video, right? Where you actually, you know, showcase your products. What are the actual benefits of your product? So we're not talking about like a behind the scenes, how it's made. Now we're talking about really producing content on what are the benefits of your product. So what are the benefits of your essential oils? What's the benefit of your weight loss shake, right? What's the benefit of whatever product or service that you actually have? What is the benefit of coaching with you? What are the benefits of working with you? If you are a life coach, or if you are a financial coach, or you are a weight loss coach, what are the benefits that a person can have if they actually work with you? You want to do videos, create content to answer those actual questions for your actual audience, because guess what? They are actually looking for the answer. In this video, I wanted to share with you guys the type of videos that you want to be doing inside your online business. If you haven't already done so, in the actual description box of this video, I have a guide that will share with you 20 ways to get more people watching and recommending your videos. Go down into the description box. You can grab that free guide, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you all next week. Talk soon. Bye-bye.